Sam.George Babon Timbeka say na Akufo useless. Sam.George.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amasaman so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amasaman so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem be say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Addo retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
Sam.George Babon Timbeka say na Akufo useless. Sam.George
enough to buy 1 liter under Akufo. That's how incompetent and useless the president is. You can't say it any way nicer. And this one, when I say he's a useless president, I'm being very charitable and nice and kind to him. Because the president sits on his ears, so he doesn't hear when we talk.
Sam.George Babon Timbeka say na Akufo useless. Sam.George a minimum war position, the NDC war position. Sam.George say na temididi enko a inti wu tu ase. But in your communication minister no, your friend Sam.George or ka say na Akufo useless. O pese wutu, wo pese wutu temididi ase. But na wure fi say Sam.George no your communication minister no, atemididi no ono no or the start here. Na wure fi say Sam.George beka Sam money post say bam good board CEO o pese wutu atemididi ase ye Sami Jamfi Babontin beka say na Akufo ado abodam onim nyansa wa bodam o se na Akufo ado mental issue or mental problem wa bodam NDC ba power pe ene ye hwe na temididie no so the way you did na Akufo ado atem the way you dressing na Akufo ado ene ye money post say bam CEO of Gold Board the whole Ghana sika no on da no when this wo person will fight for atemididie wo say wo person wo fight say the way your young boys and young girls didi atewu politics mu no wo pese wo hwe na wutu ase but na wure fi say wona wo mo deda ai NDC post na no wo mo na atemdidi no wo mo na wo mo de sha ase
nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Aye, wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. No de abeto nchenedi. No asan fa fom ko. No akwaji 2 million. No de abeto ayi kobi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no. Wonwene hwe. Na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko ekurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno ase da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Your mama ba otua sika we ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua. Because oya Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees. Mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom mo ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo onwu omumfu otukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hihye da che de ama no jina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no se de nke ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu DJ Mrs. Wa we ya we nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ and then when I show no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na hokwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flights here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sam Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look say yeah, hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abeya. It is a scan of the was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on the funded free seniors who some are comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokeke mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to mutu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E dey Ibrahim Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. And I got for so can you better banana boom 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear ko ye kwade e menu now to me who letter be a yoko for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now me say film hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.